I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Mailify. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for account ID and API key, please visit Mailify API token. Click on your profile from top right corner. Click on Setting. Then click Developers. Then click Add an API key. Here, give a meaningful name as you want. Copy account number and key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select List. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailify. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Thanks for watching.